In the jungle, where the flowers bloom, lies a cafe with a tasty perfume. Yum Yum Jungle, that's the name, where animals cook with flavor and fame. Yet a chef monkey swings with pots so bright, he flips pancakes morning to night. He shouts, "Order up, extra banana," while dancing salsa in a bandana. Step aside, chef, I've got the tray. I'm serving smoothies all the way. Careful, Ellie, don't drop that pie. Oops,
It flew like a butterfly.
crash!
Well, at least it smells nice. Fox the manager eyes in a tie with a clipboard too.
Checks the menus, fresh and new.
Team, let's tidy. Stack the spoons. We'll open shop by noon. She counts
1 tomato,
2 green peas, 3 ripe mangoes, and a chunk of cheese. Math and food, what a tasty pair. Learning numbers in the jungle air.
Hello, I'd like some salad, please.
Coming right up with extra peas.
No rush at all, I move quite slow.
Then take your soup, it's cold, you know.
Might they all laugh together? Together, here comes Tiger with a mighty roar.
He spilled the soup and slipped on the floor. Oops, he grins with a toothy smile.
I'll help clean up in a little while.
With the mop and a bop, they clean the tiles. Working together with giggles and smiles.
Helping friends is part of the fun. In Yum Yum Cafe, we're #1.
1 mango toast, 2 beetle buns, 3 leafy wraps with raisin runs.
Whoa, Polly, repeat that slow.
Oopsie, sorry, here we go. 1 mango toast and 2 beetle buns.
Got it, you're faster than a jungle drum.
To bear the baker's surprise, in the back there rolls the dough. Singing soft while the ovens glow. Flour, water, mix it right. Bake sweet rolls till they're golden bright. He teaches measure 1 cup, not too full. Then stir it gently, nice and cool. Cooking's fun when you take your time, and it helps you learn to count and rhyme. Where's my carrot cake? I'm late. Be patient, friend, no need to skate.
Here it is, fresh and sweet.
Yay! Jungle snacks are such a treat!
Snake, the smoothie artist.
Snake blends smoothies with flair and hiss.
With berries and ice,
It's jungle bliss. Would you like a swirl or a sprinkle dash?
he adds banana with a Fruit Loop splash.
Spin it, blend it, then we pour health in a cup and so much more.
Let's add music to the meal, a jazzy beat with jungle feel. Clap your paws and tap your toes. It's a cafe dance
Before we close, clean up time, wipe the counter, sweep the floor. Hang the sign that says closed door. Thank you all, the team declares, for jungle joy and tasty wear. Safer manners to meals, we've learned a lot. Like how to clean and stir the pot. Teamwork, patience, tasty tricks, and numbers, rhymes, and jungle mix.
Hoot ending dialogue.
For tomorrow we open again at 8.
I'll start walking now, I can't be late.
Bring your hunger and your giggles too. Yum Yum Cafe will welcome you.
So
So clap along and don't delay. Come visit Yum Yum Jungle Cafe, where the soup is hot and the rhymes are sweet, and every animal finds a seat. Here comes Ellie with a tray so wide, wobbling left to the jungle side. He hums a tune and shouts with glee, smoothies and snacks coming from me. Step aside, chef, I've got the tray. I'm serving smoothies all the way. Careful, Ellie, don't drop that pie. Oops, it flew like a butterfly. Crash! Well, at least it smells nice. Then Fox appears with a swishy tail, holding menus and veggie kale. Wearing glasses and a little bow tie, she checks the fridge with a clever eye. Team, let's tidy, stack the spoons. We open shop by 12:30.
1 tomato, 2
green peas, 3 ripe mangoes, and a chunk of cheese. She counts and sings with style and flair, teaching numbers in jungle air. 1, 2, 3, let's add some more. Math is fun behind this door. Then Turtle walks in, slow and round, with sleepy eyes and a stompy sound. He blinks and yawns and takes a seat, and gently taps his little feet. Hello, I'd like some salad, please. Coming right up with extra peas. No rush at all, I move quite slow. Man, take your soup. It's cold, you know. Wash! Everyone laughs in a friendly way. Coming right up with extra peas. No rush at all, I move quite slow. Then take your soup, it's cold, you know. Everyone laughs in a friendly way. Coming right up with extra peas. No rush at all, I move quite slow. Then take your soup, it's cold, you know. Everyone laughs in a friendly way. Coming right up with extra peas. No rush at all, I move quite slow. Then take your soup, it's cold, you know.